Hello, this is Indiana personal injury attorney David Holub. Today's video will discuss the topic of what is a trial lawyer. To a lawyer who has no experience going into the courtroom, preparing for and going to trial may be a scary proposition. Some lawyers, even those who label themselves as personal injury attorneys, are not prepared to go to trial. Aside from the fear factor and inexperience, some attorneys just do not want to do the work that's required to be successful at trial. Preparing for trial takes dedicated teamwork. We approach every case from day one as if we're preparing to go to trial. As soon as we're hired on a case, we work to gather physical evidence. Medical records and bills also need to be gathered and copied. Frequently, we need to go to the crash scene to investigate the circumstances of the crash and take photographs. We question police officers and witnesses. Often such investigative work needs to be done on the weekend or in the evenings when people are free to talk. Trial witnesses have to be identified and their testimony summarized. Witnesses have to be subpoenaed to appear in the courtroom. It takes a massive amount of work, and attorneys and paralegals who enjoy doing the work. Some attorneys operate case mills where they advertise heavily, claim to do work throughout the entire state, and then settle cases quickly. Frequently, when such attorneys cannot settle a case, they will drop the client. Many times we are sought out by people who have hired such attorneys only to find their case dropped and in need of a real trial attorney. Trial attorneys do not hesitate to go to trial when doing so is in the best interest of their clients. Trial lawyers prepare to take their cases to trial if a reasonable settlement cannot be achieved for the client. Trial lawyers do not settle a case simply to avoid going to trial or recommend unreasonably low settlements just to avoid the work of trial. If you need a trial lawyer, please give us a call today.